Hey everyone, you're sitting on a park bench, sipping a coffee, and scrolling through your phone. Suddenly, a notification pops up about a new transaction on your bank account. You're confused. You haven't made any purchases recently. You open your banking app to investigate, only to find it's clunky, slow, and difficult to navigate. Frustration sets in. Hook. Have you ever felt this frustration with your traditional bank? The endless paperwork, the long queues, the outdated technology? If so, then you're not alone. Today, we're going to dive into a revolutionary app that's changing the way we bank, Monzo. What is Monzo? Monzo is more than just a bank account. It's a financial tool designed to give you complete control over your money. It's a digital bank that operates entirely through a mobile app. No physical branches, no paper statements. Just a sleek, intuitive interface that puts your finances at your fingertips. Key features of Monzo. Instant account opening. Gone are the days of filling out endless forms and waiting weeks for your account to be approved. With Monzo, you can open an account in minutes, right from your smartphone. Real-time notifications. Every transaction, no matter how small, is instantly notified to your phone. This means you can keep track of your spending in real time and detect any unusual activity immediately. Potting and budgeting. Monzo makes it easy to set aside money for specific goals. You can create pots for savings, holidays, or anything else you can think of. Additionally, the app provides helpful tools to track your spending and create budgets that work for you. Fee-free spending. Monzo doesn't charge you any fees for using your card abroad. This means you can travel without worrying about hidden charges or exorbitant exchange rates. Roundups. A unique feature of Monzo is its roundups functionality. Every time you make a purchase, the app rounds up the amount to the nearest pound and automatically transfers the difference to a pot of your choice. This is a great way to save money effortlessly. Overdraft protection. If you find yourself short on cash, Monzo offers a flexible overdraft facility with clear terms and conditions. You can set a limit and avoid unexpected fees. How does Monzo work? To use Monzo, you simply download the app and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account is set up, you'll receive a debit card in the mail. You can use this card anywhere that accepts MasterCard. The app also allows you to make contactless payments, transfer money to friends and family, and even pay bills. Pros and cons of Monzo. While Monzo offers many benefits, it's important to consider both the pros and cons before switching to a digital bank. Pros. Convenient and easy to use. Real-time notifications. Flexible budgeting tools. Fee-free international spending. Roundups for effortless saving. Cons. Limited physical presence, no branches. Potential technical issues, like any app. May not be suitable for everyone, e.g., those who prefer traditional banking. Is Monzo right for you? If you're looking for a modern, convenient, and fee-free banking experience, Monzo could be a great option. However, it's essential to assess your individual needs and preferences before making a decision. Conclusion. In conclusion, Monzo is a revolutionary app that's changing the way we bank. With its intuitive interface, flexible features, and fee-free international spending, it's a compelling choice for anyone looking to take control of their finances. Call to action. If you're tired of the hassle of traditional banking, why not give Monzo a try? Download the app today and start enjoying the benefits of digital banking. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.